XB Marketing here with another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make at least $100 a day with Digistore24. So for those who don't know what Digistore24 is, it's basically a platform that allows product creators or content creators to host their products, and these creators need people like you and I to promote the product for them. And whenever we make any successful sale, they give us a commission, and there is no limit to how much we can make promoting their products. Okay, so basically that is how Digistore24 works in a nutshell. Okay, so for those who don't have an account, it's very easy to create an account. All you just need to do is go to Digistore24.com. As you can see right here, start now is free to sign up. So basically all you need to do is click on sign up right here, and you would create your account right away. As you can see right here, they accept almost all countries. Okay, so going back to my account, so I am going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make a ton of sales with Digistore24. All right, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So once you have your account created, the first thing you want to do is you want to come to this marketplace section right here. So once you come down here, you want to scroll to this spirituality and historics. So once you scroll down there, you want to go with this product. Okay, you can see right here, this product is going to pay you $3.78 per sale. I know it's not a lot, but it's easier to make sale with products that are not so much expensive, because the more expensive a product is, the more promotion and the more marketing you need to do to get a sale. So basically, the cheaper the product is, the easier it is for you to make a sale. So this product actually costs $7.81, but basically this vendor is going to pay you 75 commission for every sale that you make. All right, so basically if we click on this link right here to look at the product page, so if I click on this link, which is my affiliate link, of course, so let me go back, and as you can see right here, this is my affiliate link right here. So all I just need to do is copy the link. Okay, so if I go back to the page, as you can see, this is a zodiac sign product. All right, and now there are a lot of people who are interested in this niche, so I'm going to show you how to find targeted people who are interested in this niche, and you can make money promoting this product to them. All right, so and once again, if we go back to Digistore real quick, okay, as you can see right here, if you click on this popularity right here, so this 3-star doesn't mean this product is a bad product. It just means that it's not too popular yet, which means you have a very high chance making a sale with this product because it's not saturated already. All right, unlike popular ones that have 4 to 5 stars, which are already too popular, and you know, whoever you are promoting it to, they might have already seen the product, or they might have bought the product already. So basically you have a very good chance at making a sale with this product. So the next thing you want to do right now is you want to head over to trends.pinterest.com. okay, so if you come over to trend.pinterest.com, it's going to show you keywords or hashtags that are currently trending on Pinterest. Okay, so what we want to do right now is we want to copy this zodiac sign right here. So if you copy this zodiac sign, and then you go back to trend.pinterest.com and you paste that keyword right here. As you can see, Pinterest is going to show you the trend for this keyword. All right, as you can see right here, there are also other suggestions that you can use as well. Okay, or if I decide to say zodiac fact, all right, so basically you can change it to whatever it is, as long as it's zodiac, since we are going to be promoting a zodiac product. You don't have to use zodiac sign exactly, you just want to use the same keyword that is related to that niche. All right, so let me go with this one as an example. All right, as you can see right here, this is the trend. All right, so you can see the chart right here. It goes up and down, which means there are some period where it's popular, and there are also some period where it's not popular. So as you can see, June of 2021, the search of this keyword is at the peak, and as you can see, it goes down again and goes down again. And now if you come back here, you can see it's beginning to pick up again. Currently, as you can see, 30th of January 2022 while I'm making this video. You can see this keyword is getting a lot of search currently on Pinterest. So the next thing you want to do, since we know this keyword is getting a lot of search on Pinterest, and definitely whoever is looking up this keyword on Pinterest, they will be interested in a product like this. All right, so basically what we want to do is to drive as much traffic as we can to this product. So once we get some people to buy this product, we get a commission. All right, so the next thing you want to do, of course, if you go to similarweb.com, you can see right here that it gets almost 1 billion visits a month, and as you can see, majority of the traffic is coming from United States. You can see over 40% of the traffic is coming from US alone. Okay, so the next thing you want to do right now is you want to create a Pinterest account if you don't have one already. So once you create your Pinterest account, it's going to look maybe different or similar to mine, doesn't matter. All you just need to do is you want to click on this plus button right here. So once you click on that, you want to click on this create pin. And also, if you go to this page, you can see it's going to show you a lot of posts that are currently trending on this hashtag or keyword. Okay, so you can see, you can get ideas of the type of posts you want to post on your Pinterest account to get results or to get views. So basically, this is the type of post that you want to post on your Pinterest account. So as you can see right here, these are the posts that are currently trending on this keyword. Okay, so if I click, you can see we even have an account right here. So if I click on this account, all right, as you can see, this account gets over 2 million views every month. Now, if you look at the type of posts they are making on their page, you can see this is the type of post that you want to post on Pinterest as well. As you can see, basically it just contains text, nothing much, no big deal. So basically all you just need to do is you want to go to site like Canva, and then you want to copy this same text, and then you want to make a post with this text. And as you can see right here, they are sending the link, they are sending their traffic to this link. So most likely it's going to be an affiliate product that is going to be on this website or whatever they are promoting. So you can imagine from the 2 million views they are getting a month, definitely if 10% of that go to their traffic, they are going to be making money with whatever they are selling on their website. All right, so as you can see, this is how easy it is to do. So basically all you just need to do, like I said, you just have to go on to canva.com, create a similar image like this one, since you know it works, and then you can redirect it to your website right here. So if you go on Pinterest, you can see here where it says destination link. This is where you are going to paste the link to this product right here. And also I must mention that you don't want to use this generic link, you want to use a landing page. Okay, there are a lot of landing page builders out there that you can use. If you don't have money to pay for a paid landing page builder, you can go with free ones like Google Sites, you can go with Weebly and the likes. All right, so basically this is a simple strategy that you can use to start making consistent sales with Digistore24. And I hope you find any useful information in this video, and if you do, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.